I tend to gravitate towards applications and platforms that are doing a good job of automating repetitive workflows that are typical throughout our lives. And the thing I like about Trustworthy, though, it's attempting to bring kind of all these disparate workflows and all these different categories of one's personal and professional life under kind of one roof or under one cloud, so to speak. So the ability to clean up uh, your own personal life um, uh, from a digitization perspective and utilizing a kind of complete platform like Trustworthy I found that very compelling. So that's what drew me to them, and that's why I continue to advocate everybody using some sort of a subscription to a set of workflows like what they do. So that's that's how I got there, and that's why I believe in it.